Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change time format to 24 hours in mobile. As you can see, I'm already on 24 hours. At my time, it's 18 past 44. So it's a evening in my country. So you can change it by tap on your settings. So this is the Android version. So you can try to change it by go to the additional settings and choose date and time. Here there is option 24-hour format. You can turn this on. So if you go back to 12 hours, you can turn this off. So it becomes 6 past quarter. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click this button below. See you in the next video.